Leviathan race, rejoice. Your #1 Pokemon YouTuber, the #1 Pokemon YouTuber, the world champion of said universe and YouTube Shorts champion in addition to that has come back to give you more entertaining content because I don't know how to be boring. Never have, never will. So, with these 5 packs, let me see if I can bring the enjoyment level up to 11. Brilliant stars, evolving skies, chilling rebel clash, and shining face. Here we go. Nothing more to say than that. Let's start with one of the best sets the best set in Pokemon history so far. Let's burn it down with these things. Here we go. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Full Metal Energy. Tropius. Roseanne's backup, which I have both of. Blunder Policy. Turtwig. Sneasel. Clink. Spiritomb. A demon. Clefable. What do we have, 7? Babero. Babero does not get the tie seal of approval because I am not a fan of Babero. Babero and the other one, which shall not be named, does not get any play from the champ. So, Evolving Skies. Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Water style jutsu. Ribbon badge. Fluffy. Bravery. Lotan. Teddy Ursa. Cryogonal. Nickit. The Weeble. Swablu for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 2. Wishy washy. I said I would say it. This is funny. I had a friend a long time ago who had a Swablu on his, what was it? I think it was it Crystal? It might have been Crystal. I think it was Crystal. No, I had Crystal. He had, what was it? Was it Crystal? He had Sapphire? I think it was Sapphire. And he had a Swablu and he named it Chocolate. So from now on, I'm gonna call every Swablu I pull Chocolate. Chilling rain. Let's go. Pack trash. Code card. Here we go. Full Metal Energy. Welcoming Lantern. Clara. Brawly. Shop It. Cub Fu. Blitzel. Cloudfish, Slowpoke, Galarian Style, Weedle for the reverse and for the finale. Viper, which is a giant snake. I don't like snakes. Rebel Clash. Let us Pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on! Rockley Energy. Tuffle Stadium. Milo. Palosan. Daramaka. Galarian Style. Peter. Snover. Mr. Mime. Galarian Style. Toxel. Palpito for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 4? Pack 4. Spiritomb. Spiritomb is very scary. Shining Face to close out this pack breaking endeavor. Let's see what I get. Oh, pack trash. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Evil Energy. Drax. Eldegoss. Drax from Guardians of the Galaxy. Luxio. Katnia. Q-Fit. Eevee. Blitzo. Yanma. It's now for the reverse and for the finale of this pack-breaking endeavor. Savage, can we pull something? Indeedy. And that gets the Thai seal of approval on that one. I give it to that one. Do I have a? I can't sleeve it up just right now. I'll do it later. So, you've reached the end of the Champs pack breaking endeavor. I did not, no way. I did not hit play on my microphone. The audio is gonna be different for this video. I've heard, oh well. You can still hear what I'm saying, that's all that matters. So, I will see you tomorrow for more. And the champ promises he will pull fire. So, come back tomorrow. Valor, show him out of here. And please, Super V, bring him back tomorrow.